Welcome to MyLITV. From Manhasset to Montauk, we have traveled our communities to bring you the following events. I'm your host, Waldo Cabrera. MyLITV starts now.
Welcome to the air show!
Very athletic and very hard on the body.
It's my 5th year, and I enjoy it every year.
15, 16, 17, that's it. You got it, David. Good deal, thank you.
You gonna eat all of that by yourself?
Yeah, probably. My favorite part was really the Thunderbirds.
Ah,
Because of how fast and loud they were.
so you like them to fly fast, huh?
Yeah.
I like the snowbirds. Those were really cool. They did some neat things there.
Yeah, well, hold on a second. Snowbirds, those are Canadian, aren't
I
they?
know, but they did some things I hadn't seen, so. And I liked the Redbull Helicopter that showed up.
Actually, that was cool, wasn't it?
That was very cool.
was very
That was
cool.
the first time we've seen that here, so that was pretty neat.
I didn't think a helicopter could do that.
That was some pretty neat helicopter flying, so that was pretty cool.
Did you find it personally offensive that she liked the Canadian guys?
No, I liked it too, actually.
And I think it's awesome. This is my first year, actually. My dad told me to bring him. And I loved it. I like airplanes. I'm coming back tomorrow.
I like when the really loud ones scream. Yeah, because I like loud noises.
I happen to be an aviation professor.
You do any of that stuff?
No, I have visual issues. I can't fly. I joke with people. I tell them if you fly with me, you die real quick.
All right, so you're flying solo, right?
That's right. My wife Annabelle.
Oh, so you don't fly with him?
No, please. No, but I come here every year. It's amazing.
The freedom of speech, the freedom of press, all of these freedoms that we have are because of those men and women that serve our country, and we honor them today.
Bye.